This 2015 Chevrolet G3500 KUV enclosed body is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. Nap height enclosed body with drop-down ladder rack system. 1 owner unit. Clean Carfax 125-point inspected. All our units come fully serviced from JW&M, number 039, S Serve Department, and we take the headache out of you life so you can get to job site early, and not the shop. We do offer business financing for qualified buyers. Call for more info. We Don and M, number 039, T. Get a lot of these, so act fast. Tilde mechanical rear axle, 3.42 ratio, requires CG33503 or CG33803 model, and L20, Vortec 48LV8 SFI engine, or L96, Vortec 60LV8 SFI engine, and C4M, 9,900 pounds, 4,490 kilograms, GVWR or JFF, 10,100 pounds, 4,581 kilograms, GVWR. Body, standard GVWR, 9,900